Hello and welcome to the introduction for this course. What you should know before you take the course: you should have a basic working knowledge of using a computer. You should also have a basic working knowledge of using the internet. Who should take this course? This course is designed for absolute beginners to coding or programming. What will you learn on the course? Some of the things you'll learn on the course includes setting up the development environment for C++ and also development environment for Python. We'll then cover things like how to display various types of outputs. We'll look at using comments in your code. We'll look at various data types, also variables, arrays, operators, conditional statements and loops. We'll look at Python functions. We'll take a look at data structures like list, tuples, and so on. You will also be introduced to Python modules and packages. We'll take a look at how to handle exception errors. We will also create a couple of projects. We'll create a calculator in Python and also a digital clock in Python. The format of the course is video based and the duration of the course is 11 hours. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.